Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best ASMR microphones in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying an ASMR microphone. You can find timestamps and links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus. The Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus offers the greatest balance between price and quality, being one of the most popular microphones for podcasters. The AT2020 USB works incredibly well for capturing vocal recordings, whether it's speaking, singing, or whispering. The Audio-Technica AT2020 USB is a side-addressed microphone, meaning rather than speaking into the top, the condensers pick up audio from the sides. The USB capabilities of this microphone allow you to plug it into your laptop for major convenience. It also comes with a headphone jack with volume control for delay-free monitoring. The tone of this microphone on higher frequencies is incredibly crisp, which is why it's my preferred ASMR microphone. The results when recording whispered ASMR sound natural and present, as if you weren't even listening to a recording. Overall, the versatility and crisp sound of the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB paired with the convenience of plug-and-play make it really easy to see why it's so popular. Number 4. Blue Yeti. The Blue Yeti series is one of the leading brands of USB microphones, offering a massive level of brilliance with the simplicity of plug-and-play. Just like others on this list, this ASMR microphone was designed to be used with your computer, saving you time and money on your high-quality recordings. The Blue Yeti comes in a few shapes and sizes, all depending on your budget. What they have in common is their multiple polar pattern modes. What does that mean? Polar patterns control where audio is captured from on your microphone. So a cardioid pattern only records from in front of the microphone, while omnidirectional patterns record from all sides of the microphone capsule. The ability to control the polar patterns on your condenser offers massive versatility. In terms of sound, the Blue Yeti is very sensitive and produces crystal clear audio with the ability to process a range of sounds thanks to their wide frequency response. Number 3. Shure SM7B. The Shure SM7B is easily the best microphone for vocals, thanks to the superior engineering done by Shure. It's no surprise that a microphone as versatile and powerful as this one is also one of the best ASMR microphones on the market. When it comes to anything vocal related, the Shure SM7B is sure to find its way into the conversation, as the balanced frequencies on this microphone blow most others straight out of the water. The Shure SM7B uses a detachable crosstalk windscreen, perfect for getting up close and personal to the microphone capsules and speaking with a soothing voice. The dynamic cartridge utilizes a flat, wide-range frequency response for clean, natural reproduction of your audio. The mid-range emphasis with low bass roll-off gives a major boost to your vocal clarity. Number 2. Audio-Technica AT2005 USB. The Audio-Technica AT2005 USB is one of the best microphones for vocals, offering massive flexibility with their USB and XLR capabilities. Like the AT2020, this ASMR microphone is really popular amongst the podcast community, and aside from the impeccable sound, offers other great features for recording great audio. For a microphone that's generally found for less money, the Audio-Technica AT2005 USB has incredible quality for vocal applications, whether it be podcasts or ASMR. The cardioid pattern protects your recordings from unwanted sounds out of the sides and rear, while the low-mass diaphragm allows excellent frequency response for pristine audio depth. The Audio-Technica AT2005 USB is equipped with a headphone jack for latency-free monitoring, so you can listen to your audio in real time. This makes experimentation much easier, and hearing your voice during recording sessions helps keep you on point. Number 1. Samson Go. The Samson Go is the most budget-friendly option on this list, and thanks to the small size, the most travel-friendly as well. I love Samson microphones, and with the high sensitivity you get from the Go model, it makes for such a powerful ASMR microphone. Don't be put off by the massive visual difference between this little mic and the others on this list. One of the first notable features about the Samson Go is that they offer both cardioid and omnidirectional pattern modes, the first of which captures audio through the front, and the second which captures audio from all angles. This versatility will allow you to experiment and find the best settings for your ASMR audio. The extended frequency response handles the high-end frequencies with ease, balancing them out with lower and mid-range for smooth-sounding audio. The Samson Go will be an essential choice for beginners with a smaller budget. Now that we've shown you the best ASMR microphones, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Binaural recording technique. The binaural recording technique is used by some ASMR pros to simulate the acoustics of a three-dimensional environment. The result of this sound is said to be as if the speaker was in the same room as you. This effect will require some extra setup, but if you execute it properly, it'll offer the chance to make yourself stand out in the best way. The most essential piece to recording the binaural technique is using two condenser microphones. These are the ears of your audience, so to speak. Though we recommend experimenting with different placements, a good place to start is to have them the same distance as two human ears. It's important that you think ahead about your setup and make sure you can support two microphones before buying them. When you begin whispering into the ASMR microphones, it's important to maintain some level of distance. A common mistake in both the studio and on stage is for people to put their mouth within an inch of the capsule. Condenser microphones are extremely sensitive and will work best a few inches away. The biggest risk you face when too close to the microphone is triggering what's known as the proximity effect. This refers to an increase in bass frequencies the closer your microphone is to the sound source, in other words, you. This effect is particularly noticeable on cardioid microphones, but non-existent when using the omnidirectional microphones. Once again, just experiment a little bit until you found the best distance.